Hello, this is Steve Dowell over at Jackie Cooper Infiniti, and today we're previewing a 2016 Venetian Red Q50, Infiniti's Ford sedan. Again, Venetian Red exterior, wheat interior. It's got the memory seats, power memory automatic windows, 34,000 miles, dual digital display LCDs, heated seats, as well as the in-touch services. This car is loaded and ready. Leather seats on the interior. Of course, the rear seat, plenty of leg room available for you and your passengers. Love to have you come by and take a look at it. Set an appointment with me, 806-8233. That's Steve Dowell at 806-8233. Bye.